Good evening, everyone. It is August 3rd, 2017. We're doing 2017 Topps Chrome Baseball Jumbo one box break number 10 random teams. There are a couple combo teams, so there's only 26 total spots for combo teams. Remember, no veteran based ships. And let's get this going. So let's roll the dice. We have a 1 and a 6, so we're going to go 7 times on the list of names and teams. 7 times 6, 7. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th and final time. After 7 times, Arthur, you're right at the top, buddy. Gabe, you're at the bottom. Let's put that list right there. All right, now 7 times on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alrighty, after 7 times, we got the Baltimore Orioles are at the top, Milwaukee Brewers are at the bottom. You have won the Baltimore Orioles in a one-box break of Chrome Jumbo, Arthur. Alright, so Arthur, you got the Baltimore Orioles. Colin with the Tigers, Joseph K with the Indians, Jim, you have the Red Sox, Stevens Moody, Last Spot Mojo with the Cardinals. You have Jim with the Astros. Carter, you have the Blue Jays Phillies combo. Scott with the Braves, Jim with the Padres. Gabe, you have the White Sox. Colin with the Pirates Twins combo. Lampros with the Rockies. Stevens Moody with the A's and Dodgers. Ryan S with the Mets. Stevens Moody, you have the New York Yankees. Jim with the Royals Rays combo. Todd, you got the Chicago Cubs. Jim with the Nationals. Joseph, you have the Rangers and Marlins. Edwin, you have the Angels. Benny, you have the Diamondbacks. Darren, you have the Reds. Todd with the Mariners. Eric with the Giants. And Gabe, you have the Milwaukee Brewers. Alrighty, let's see if there's any trades. And if not, we will come back and bust this open, so stick around. Alright guys, welcome back. There were no trades, so here's the list. Last Spot Mojo Cardinals for Stevens Moody. And good luck to everybody in the break. So, Nick opened up a fresh case yesterday, last night. He numbered the boxes as well. Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here, he did box 8 last night. So let's generate one of these boxes really quick. And 7, there we go, box 7. The lonely box right here is the box we'll be doing for this break. These will be for future breaks, which we will have another one box break of Topps Chrome Jumbo in the store. And good luck. This is my first time breaking this. I'm actually pretty excited. I love Topps Chrome. I've been doing really well with Optic too, guys. I pulled 2 Superfractors from Optic already. So, I mean, actually, well, they're not Superfractors. They're 101s, but I still call them Superfractors. But we can pull a Superfractor in here, though. Alright, guys, good luck. David Dahl, retro. And we have Aaron Judge, freshman flash. No number in there, but that is an insert. And definitely put that in a penny sleeve. And that's going to Stevens Moody. Put this down just a little bit. Alright, we have Yoenis Cespedes. That is an orange, and that is 16 of 25. It's going to the New York Mets and Ryan S. Alright. So we should be looking at 5 autographs, guys. Nomar Mazara, future star. Hernandez. Negative. Alright. Nothing there. I don't think this was numbered either. No. And there we go. First autograph for the Colorado Rockies. Colorado Rockies, that's going to Lampros. No numbering on that. Andrew Benintendi, retro, rookie. And we have for the Cubs, Rob Yastrzemski, autograph. And that is 427 of 499. That's going to the Chicago Cubs and Todd Reardon. There you go, Todd. Alright, so that's 2 autographs so far. Anthony Rizzo retro. This looks like an autograph, but it's not. Then and now, Addison Russell. Alright. Alright, guys, I'm taking it a little slow right here. This is the first time I'm breaking Topps Chrome Jumbo, so I'm trying to take it all in. Jock Peterson. Freshman Flash, Carson Fulmer, no numbering. And we got an Aaron Judge rookie. So that's 2 Aaron Judge rookies in this box. 1 insert rookie and the base rookie, which I hear these base rookies are selling for about 20 bucks a piece. So not bad at all. All right, we still have 6 more packs to go. And we have for the A's, Chad Pinder. Oakland Athletics going to Stevens Moody. Alright, a couple more packs. Tanaka retro. Addison Russell. And we got Garrett Cole for the Pirates. That is a blue, and that is 21 of 150. Pittsburgh Pirates going to Colin Matoy with the Pirates Twins combo. Alright, 3 more packs to go, guys. Numbered on that. Then and now. Alright. Last 2 packs. I think we're still looking for 1 more autograph, or is it 2? It's either 1 or 2. And for the Diamondbacks, Arizona Diamondbacks, Braden Shipley. Diamondbacks, Arizona. That's going to Benny. All right, last pack. And another autograph for the Colorado Rockies. German Marquez. Go to the Rockies. And Lampros. Tice, what's going on, man? The Grunch, what's going on? It's been pretty good. Started out the day with some Chrome. First time breaking this. Pretty excited. And there we go, guys. That was the break. That was Random Teams number 10. My first time breaking it, so I took a little bit of time to enjoy this. But here we go. Here was a little recap of a couple of the autos. 3, 4, 5. 2 Aaron Judge rookie cards in this box, though. So Random Teams number 11 is in the store. Get it going, $10 breaks. Jaspy's Hobby Land. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.